Bayang Karirista, muli po kami nagbabalik. Kami po ang inyong Silver Bullet Production. My name is Lucky Leo Forbes para po sa mga kaganapan inside our Metro Manila Turf Club. At ilang tulog na nga lang po ay matatapos na ulit ang ating December month. Pero pinapainit pa rin ito ng ating mga pakarera. At this time, ang ating pong Piltobo ay naghatid at nagbigay ng mga magagandang lineup. Sana yung ating mga kaibigan dyan ay nagsisipanalo na rin po kayo. Ang ating pong isineselebrate ngayon, ang ating 25th Piltobo Grand Championship Day. At nabanggit nga po kanina ng ating mga nakausap, inaasahan po nila ang mga magagandang dividendo. Ganun na rin po ang mga magagandang laban para sa lahat ng ating mga kaibigan. So to all our aficionados, tutok lamang po dito sa aming videos.
Racing as they battle for the Congresswoman Karen Javier Juvenile Finish Championship Cup. We have Pecotin Lady breaking a little start. Moving the body outside is a Sunset Beauty. Then 3 lengths back in third. There comes Inspiring Journey while Marvin's Pride is the early trainer. Racing down the back stretch with Pecotin Lady applying a little pressure. The body outside is a Sunset Beauty. Then 5 lengths further back in third comes Inspiring Journey, while Marvin's Pride is still racing in a sub-mile distance. They traveled we have Pecotin Lady, enjoying a 3/4 length lead, and in second set the Sunset Beauty. Then 6 lengths further back in third comes Inspiring Journey, while Marvin's Pride is still racing in the center part, and we have Pecotin Lady enjoying a half length lead, and here comes Sunset Beauty not moving up on the outside, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pecotin Lady enjoying a lane and half lead. Then on the outside second is Sunset Beauty, and down the stretch they come. We have Pecotin Lady, this time by about 4 lengths over Sunset Beauty. Last 50 meters from start to finish, it's Pecotin Lady. Second, Sunset Beauty, Inspiring Journey, and Marvin's Pride.
Abby's Wet Counts. Moving up now in the middle is Mommy's Love Radio and King James. Then followed by Gamer Winner, while Authentication is running in the tail of the field. Out of the straight, they travel now. King James, 2 lengths back. Mommy's Love. It's Mommy's Love. King James, Mario, the side very close to every sweat counts. Then 5 lengths away is game a winner. While Authentication still riding on the tail of the field. Mommy's Love, and just in front, here comes King James, now by the outside. King James and Mommy's Love, anchoring up, every sweat counts, then followed by Gamer Winner. Then 5 lengths away, Authentication, and as they round of our turn, King James leads by a length, followed by Mommy's Love. Every sweat counts now by the outside, and followed by Gamer Winner. An Authentication, but is still King James leads by half a length, and down for the inside now. Every sweat counts, and 3 lengths for the back. Gamer Winner, then followed now by Authentication, while Mommy's Love now running on the tail of the field. Final turn up, King James leads by some 3 lengths now, followed by Every Sweat Counts. Here comes Authentication in the middle. King James Authentication now for the outside. King James Authentication. That is still King James, and finally King James Authentication. Every Sweat Counts.
Bayang Karilisa para po dito sa ating mga pakarera. Bago po sumapit ang Kapaskuhan, nagpapaulan pa ng mga biyaya dito sa Metro Manila Turf Club with Phil Tobo for their celebration ng kanilang 25th anniversary. Ito po ang kanilang Phil Tobo Championship Day. And with that, isa nga po sa mga nanalo ng ating mga pinakamalaking pakarera ngayon, walang iba. Winning connection ni King James from the stable Mr. James Rabano. Ang ating kong kasama ngayon, ang kanilang pinakamatangkad na trainer, Mr. Ramon Nartea. Congratulations!
Thank you po.
Bagay sa'yo yung King James, no? Kasi tinanong ko siya kanina, ano bang height mo?
6'1".
6'1". Dito po sa karera, makakita po kayo ng mga 6'1 na trainer, jockey, mawawaw ka talaga. Kasi usually kailangan medyo mas advantage ang maliit eh. Anyways, congratulations! Let's talk about King James. Llamado kayo sa karera kanina, 1,600 meters. So, yung probability na tingin mo kaya nyo masungkit ito, ano yung iyong naramdaman?
Inaasahan po ng team namin na panalo na ni King James. Naisip lang po namin na kalaban talaga is yung every sweat na medyo mas maganda sa liga ni Mommy's Love at saan King James. Tingin ko nung ultimo kwarto, ako po, nanalo.
Usually talaga ang nagpapaganda na magiging performance ng kabayo, yung unang salida. And with that, both horses po, coupled po ito nung kabayong si Mommy's Love with King James. So, naging advantage pa yung pagka-couple. How about yung humahabol sa inyong authentication? Kasi po, bayang Karilisa, kung mapapanood nyo po sa ating replay, yung authentication, half a horse for 600 meters, muntik pa, no? Kalahating kabayo na lamang po ang lamang ni King James. Anong naramdaman mo? Kinabahan ka ba?
Medyo kinabahan, pero nung diretsuhan, meron pa naman yung kabayo namin.
Okay.
Tingin ko, mairaraos na.
Yes. Well, do you have any plans for King James after this race?
I believe, medyo irarush siya eh.
Okay.
Pero yung mga susunod na stake race, pag-aaralan po namin kung saan siya pwede sa.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Do you have any words sa lahat ng iyong mga supporters at sa lahat ng tumaya sa iyong mga kabayo?
Bayang Karilista, salamat sa suporta nyo. Patuloy nyo lang suportahan yung karera dito sa Pilipinas. At yung suportahan nyo yung aming stable, JSR Stable. Maligayang Pasko at panulong bagay-bagay.
for the Ambassador Antonio M. Lagdameo Juvenile Championship Cup. Coming early, best begin midnight belling the Rodia side 3 wide is Saturday Scout and as 30 pounds is the early prayer. Coming early, the leader by a length, midnight belling second, a length back in third comes Saturday Scout and a long way back to us 30 pounds. Back to the leader, Restel coming early, the leader by a length. Midnight Bell is right behind in second, 6 lengths away in third, Heavy Scout and starting pounds. And at the half mile, let us tell, coming early, enjoying a length lead. Midnight Bell still in second, Heavy Scout still in third by a couple of 4 lengths. And starting pounds, let us tell, coming early by half a length. Midnight Bell still in second on the outside, pressing up. Heavy Scout remains in third, and a long way back to starting pounds. Let us tell, coming early, Midnight Bell on the outside, coming early, Midnight Bell on the outside, and in third remains Heavy Scout, coming early, Midnight Bell on the outside, Heavy Scout still in third and starting pounds, and still coming early, Midnight Bell on the outside, Heavy Scout still in third position, as the field turns for home, Midnight Bell takes the lead, coming early, Heavy Scout in third, as the field turns for home with Midnight Bell, this time by about 2 lengths, coming early, still in second, Heavy Scout on the outside, and still Midnight Bell by about 2 lengths coming early. Heavy Scout is on the outside, but it's still Midnight Bell. Heavy Scout to take second, and finally it's going to be Midnight Bell. Heavy Scout.
Bayang Karilista, muli po kami nagbabalik para sa ating Philtobo 25th Grand Championship Day. Kasama po natin ang kanilang presidente, walang iba, Mr. Marlon Cunanan. Welcome po. At ngayon pa lang po congratulate po kayo dahil very successful po ang inyong pangarera. What can you say po sa lahat po nating mga taga-suporta?
Well, number one, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga nagbigay mga sponsors. Kaya lalong gumanda ang karera, magandang sponsors, malaki ang papremyo. And right now, malaki na ang benta. I think we will break the record, we will make sales of 50 million.
50 for a day?
For one day.
Wow!
Record breaking to, hopefully.
Hopefully. We're praying for that. At yun nga po, alam ko po, ang paghahanda nyo para sa ating pakarera, hindi po basta-basta. Siyempre, ano po masasabi nyo sa mga tumulong sa inyo at sa mga naghanda sa inyo pong grupo?
Well, number one, yung handicapper. Kaya tayo may magandang karera is because of the handicap, which was also under my supervision.
Wow!
So,
Gano'n po kahirap?
ay, ang hirap. Paano mong babalansin ang bawat karera?
Hindi naman po yun.
Walang sasama ng loob, lahat masaya, at maganda yung laban. Balance and fair.
Bukod po sa magandang handicapping, siyempre yung distribution po ng premyo, medyo malaki pa ang mga bigayan ng
Malaki
premyo
ang
ngayon.
bigayan. No?
Ano-
Hopefully, next year, mas gumanda pa.
Mas lalakihan po ba nyo?
Siyempre,
Yes.
nangako na si Chairman, magdadagdag, pati yung karerahan, magdadagdag.
Apo. Before,
Mamimigay natin lahat yan.
ano naman po ang maihahandog natin sa ating mga bayang karirista? So, hopefully siguro for next year, sir.
Well, number one kasi sa bayang karirista, yung makakataya sila ng maganda at magandang laban ang kailangan nilang mapanood.
They're very supported dito sa ating karera. Ganun din naman po, nine-elevate po nila yung mga pakarera. Yun nga po ang nagiging batayan ng magagandang dividends natin, ang magagandang lineup, magagandang handicapping na inyo pong nabanggit. So, congratulations,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
And hopefully for next year, Bayang Karinista, kasama na po namin kayo dito live.
Abangan nyo ulit. Magandang karera, magandang laban. Tuloy pa natin ang laban.
Binabati po natin lahat ng ating mga supporters. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagtutok at pagsuporta dito sa ating channel. Sa lahat po ng inyong mga kaibigan at mga hindi pa nakatutok, i-share, i-like at sabihin, i-subscribe na rin ang ating mga channels. Meron po tayo sa YouTube at meron din po tayo sa Facebook. I would like to congratulate everyone sa lahat po mula sa ating mga pamunuan, galing ng Philtobo, Philracom, PCSO, lahat po ito ay nagbigay ng mga gandang papremyo at napakagandang mga pagbalik po ng ating sigla dito sa ating karera. Ganun na rin naman po sa lahat po ng ating bayang karerista. Without you, hindi naman po uusbong ulit ito pong ating industriya. Maraming salamat po. We're going to have more of this next year, so please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and to support us. Muli po, kami po ang inyong Silver Bullet Production at nagpapasalamat po kami.